There was a time when I was deeply ashamed of speaking English, and honestly, one simple incident completely changed my life and lifestyle. Hi, this is Ritu Pathak, and this is my journey of learning English. I was in 6th standard. One day, my teacher asked me to bring a tape recorder to school. Now, in those days, tape recorders were very popular, but unfortunately, the recorder was not functioning properly. I wanted to explain that to my teacher, but I didn't know the right sentence and the correct word. Eventually, I got nervous and I said, recorder was not right. The moment I said that, the teacher laughed loudly. And then she repeated my sentence in front of the whole class. Suddenly, everyone started laughing at me. Some students even mocked me. Some even kept repeating my sentence again and again. As a result, I felt so humiliated. I went to the washroom and cried a lot. That day, I felt maybe English was not for me. When I came home, I told the whole incident to my father. And surprisingly, he laughed too. But not to insult me. He looked at me and said, there is always a way. If you truly want to become what you dream of becoming. Then he asked me simply, what do you actually want to become? And I said out of nowhere, I want to become an English teacher. But deep down, I felt broken because I couldn't even make one correct sentence without mistakes. Then my father gave me a piece of advice that changed my life forever. He said, start reading loudly, not silently, loudly. And honestly, one good thing was that I was already a student in an English medium institution. So I was basically, surrounded by English books all the time. And in those days, we didn't have social media like today, YouTube or any speaking app. We only had books and libraries. So I started reading everything in English. My geography books, my history books, my social studies books, anything that I could find. And I read loudly every single day. Slowly, something started changing inside me. Words became familiar. Sentences started forming naturally. And gradually, by the time I reached 10th standard, I started noticing a drastic change in myself. That was the moment I realized something powerful. You do not learn English by hiding from mistakes. You learn English by speaking despite mistakes. So from that day, I stopped worrying too much about being perfect. I simply focused on speaking, regularly and honestly. I still make mistakes sometimes. That's okay. But now mistakes never make me feel low or underconfident. They never ever destroy my confidence. Because today I know every mistake is part of your journey. So if you are someone who feels embarrassed while speaking English, please remember this. One embarrassing moment cannot decide your future. Maybe today people laugh at your English, but one day the same English can become your strength. And trust me, if a girl who once said recorder was not right can become confident in English, then you can too. So remember, fluency is not about perfection, it is about courage. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning. Bye-bye.